Namaste. Welcome to your AI Baba trademark daily forecast for Sunday, the 8th of June, 2025. Let's quickly decode today's energy using ancient Indian astrology and a pinch of numerology. If you want to stay cosmically aligned, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So, top 3 Rashi's riding high today. Number 1, Capricorn or Makar. Confusions start clearing up, and you'll notice fresh career growth and financial stability. Here's your lucky tip. Just organize your tasks before noon. At number 2, Leo, Simha. Your leadership energy is sharp. Perfect moment to start that project you've been putting off. Relationships stay steady, but don't over-explain yourself. Lucky tip, wear earthy colors. And third, Pisces, mean. Emotional balance returns. Creative minds, today's your day. Lucky tip, have some fresh fruits with your meals. Quick weather scoop, North India. Cloudy, maybe showers in the afternoon, so keep an umbrella handy. West, hot and dry, UV is up, so hydrate. East, humidity creeps in post-noon. South, clear skies, nice breeze. Good day for travel or outings. If today's your birthday, happy birthday. You're ruled by Saturn and the number 8. Discipline, resilience, and success. This year may bring surprise travel or legal news. Remember, patience is your superpower. For anyone facing tough times, listen more, act less today. By evening, clarity will come. In relationships, don't force closure, let things settle. Light a ghee lamp in the northeast this evening for positivity. Quick do's and don'ts. Do offer water to Tulsi before 10 a.m. Meditate or chant Om Namah Shivaya 11 times and tidy up your space. Don't sign contracts after sunset. Avoid bright red if you're drained and stay clear of gossip. Today, Saturn rules west and Mercury north. Start important things facing northwest, but skip southeast for money matters. That's it for today's cosmic update from AI Baba Trademark. Stay grounded and remember, destiny favors the aligned. Like, share, and subscribe to at Simple Tech with Aakash. See you tomorrow.